Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We've got a big show lined up for you today. You always know when it's a big show, when it's a special show, because on goes the gold tie, of course. So here we are. Welcome, everybody. And we've got a record audience, it looks like right now. 12 likes before the show even starts. That's very, very exciting. Let's get straight into the trades today. It's a big day, of course. We are talking about Bill today. Over the weekend, there was a bit of a surprise, and I will fill you in with that right now. But remember, this is the Day Traders Show. We've got to keep it on par, on point, but we have a big highlight coming up in today's show. If you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell. There it is for you. Let me get straight into the trading screen straight away. There we go. Let's get straight into it and bring in the tickers. Here we go. We've got a big show today lined up. We've got a lot of special guests coming on. It's going to be great. And we're going to reveal to you something very, very special. Let's bring in the tickers. Let's bring in the information. There's the markets opening up this morning for you. And as you can see on the hour, we're up 0.5%. On the day, we're up as well. So looking pretty good so far this morning. Well, today is a special day. It's why I'm wearing my gold tie. Let me just have a check of all the screens, make sure we're all live everywhere. Looking good, looking good. Wonderful stuff. Great. Okay, we're off and running today. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell, and give us a thumbs up as well. We are live day trading as we are every day. Every weekday, that is, every trading day, that is. But today is a very special day. We'll be announcing how much money we raised for a veteran. Bill is in the live chat right now. He's one of our moderators, is also one of our members of the channel as well. And over the weekend, Friday and Saturday, I had a gig. As you know, I'm the world piano man and I do live events. On Friday and Saturday, I had a live event. Had a gig, and it was in a venue, like a theatre-style venue, on a private residential retirement village. So everybody came to my show, and it was the show I do every year or so. Missed a couple of years because of COVID, and of course, because they're on site, they're not bringing cash out with them. Why would they? They've come to a show, a residential show, so. You know, they were just coming to see my show. And like a lot of my shows, I like to surprise people. When I had an idea, I thought, do you know what? Let's do a bit of, let's have some fun. And often when I'm on live gigs, I will actually start doing an Elvis routine. And some of the ladies like to put money in my suspenders and throw it in my pockets and stuff like that. So I thought, right, I know what I can do. I can do that, and I can do it for a veteran. Bill has told us every day on the show that he needs a scooter. He can't get out of the house, can't get out of the garage, he can't walk the dog. So we thought, right, okay, let me turn my gig into a fundraiser event. So remember, it wasn't a fundraiser gig. No one was there with money. No one was expected to do anything like that whatsoever. So when I did it, I was amazed by what happened. So we'll find out very shortly what we're going to do. Leah, my wife, and she's just through the other room, and we have some bags of money in it. We actually have some bags of money. I'll tell you now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little bags of money that the dancers collected from the people. All right, and like I said, remember, they wasn't coming to spend money. They were coming to watch my show. They didn't know we were doing a fundraiser. So just bear that in mind, because some people are going, oh, I bet he's raised $1 million. Come on, it's a couple hundred people in a show who came on a residential venue to watch my show. They wasn't coming out with buckets of money. All right. But you'll be surprised, I think, what happened. So it was wonderful. Strangers. And Bill said, hey, I can't believe all these strangers are doing this. Well, you're a veteran, you've served your country, and you're a friend in need. Why wouldn't people help you? It's why I did it. All right. So what we're going to do now, we are going to start opening those bags. I did not want to do it. It looks like we got a bit of money. I've no idea how much. I've no idea if it's all ones. I've no idea if there's 5 tens. I have no idea. Okay, what we're seeing now is going to happen. We've got 6 bags. 6 bags of money, and Leah is going to open them, and she's doing it right now. And any moment now, she's going to come in with the first bag, and we're going to get a total on the screen, all right? So, of course, we've also got to keep the show on the fact we're talking about this is the stock market. We're trading this morning, so we're doing the show, and we're adding this into the show. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up, all right? We've got just 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. All right, that is the early bell. That is the pre-market. These are the shares right now. Okay, Leah's just given me a wave from the side of the stage here, and she's going, I've got my first bag. It's the smallest one. We've organized them in like smaller to bigger. All right, so this is the smallest one. Okay, and remember, like I said, everyone came to a show. They wasn't coming to a fundraiser. They wasn't coming out with their money. Why would they need to? Right, so here we go. Leah's going to bring in the first bag and hand it to me. She's handing it to me now. She's putting it down the side of me. So I got information here. You ready? Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bags. Is that right? 6. Okay. Here's the first one. So our total so far for the Bill fundraiser to help him get a chair. Are you ready? This is our first number. We've got 6 of these numbers coming out. 6 bags. Here's the first one. Here's the smallest one. Here we go. All right. Drum roll, please. Excitement. Go crazy in the chat. When we do each announcement, go crazy in the chat. I want to blow up the chat. Copy and paste. Let's make money for Bill. We love Bill. Help a veteran. Whatever you like. Let's blow up the chat. Okay. Here we go. Here's our first bag this morning. Our first bit of cash. Here we go. There we go. Right, our first bag. Then we got $96 straight off the bat. Fantastic. That's our first one. Right, we're just off and running. Okay, that's just the very first one. Okay. In a few minutes' time, we'll open the second bag. They get a bit bigger as we go along. All right. So we're off and running. Right, there's $96 in the first bag. Okay, good stuff. I love it. Very, very exciting. Okay, so you got $96. We'll open the next bag in a few moments' time. And remember, every single dime, every single penny of this money goes directly to Bill this morning, all right? None of it's to me. It's all cash. It'll all be put in a bank account and transferred the way that's best for Bill, whatever's cheapest and best rates and avoids costs and all that kind of stuff, all right? Looking at the shares right now, we've got 20 minutes to go. We'll open the next bag in a few minutes' time. There are 6 bags of money, and we didn't open any of them. We just looked at it, and each one we put them in order of size. We don't know what's in each one, so it's going to be very exciting, all right? Okay, we'll open the next bag very, very shortly. Okay, stick with us. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. Subscribe. Let's try and get a record of likes. We try to get 20 likes before the bell goes. So we've got 20 minutes to go. Lucid is moving up. Robinhood is moving up. We've got a lot of stocks and shares moving up after the earnings reports from Tesla and Apple last week. So we're waiting to see that we get some really good movement this morning. Rolls-Royce is down 1.31. Boeing is down 0.06. Apple is up 0.23. Up 0.23. Right. I was hoping for a pullback. I've currently got in my buying power. Let's have a look. My buying power right now, $29. All my money's invested. Everything's invested. This is my real cash. This is my real money. I tell you what, 17 people watching before the show starts, before the market opens is great. Fantastic. All right, we're on to the next bag of money in a few moments' time. So get ready for that. You won't want to miss it. It's going to get more and more exciting as we go. See where we end up this morning. All right, okay. Well, we are. Let's just pan out a little minute and let's see where we are. If we go the all position, it's disastrous. The last couple of months has been awful, but we have started to see, as you can see here, a bit of a rebound in the markets the last week, and I'm hoping that we're going to see a bit of an upturn. See, it's been down, but we are. On the week, look, we're up 1%. Things started to recover. We're up on the day. We're up on the hour. So for the last 7 days, things have started to recover. Let me bring everybody into the chat. We've got Bill. Here's our star this morning. Bill, this is the guy. Looks like Santa Claus. This is Bill, everybody, on the screen right now. Here's iDrop. Here's Good Morning Mike. Here's Muzanella. Muzanella's got a fancy new picture again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Beetle Sean is here. Share this video today. Let's get a viral video for Bill. Who else have we got here? Smash the like button. Nice. $96. First bag, first bit of cash for Bill. Great stuff. Smash the like. Hey Moo. Congratulations and a big thanks to Martyn. It's my absolute pleasure. It's my absolute pleasure. All right. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what comes up next. Right. Now then. Here we go. So we're up now. 1.73 Tesla this morning. I'm still down 13%. I've now got 7.37 shares of Tesla, which I've now bought on that huge dip we had, and we're up on the pre-market, so we're looking pretty good. Rivian as well, we bought some. I've got 46 shares now of Rivian. We are down though, 37%. SPCE, we did, I think I just got, hang on. Live access spent. You can go live. Copyright violation? What was that? Your live access was suspended for violating integrity. Okay. Okay. We've just been banned from TikTok because they think what I'm doing is illegal, and of course I'm not. I'm raising money for a veteran, which is a bit of a shame. That's a bit of a shame. But that's what happens sometimes. Algorithms and stuff like that, robots, don't really understand what's going on. So unfortunately, we're no longer on TikTok, so I can remove that. Just been banned from TikTok, which is a bit of a shame. I just got a monetized channel last week. But there you go. These things happen. What can you say? We're controlled by robots today, so the robots have said I was doing something naughty. Well, I wasn't doing anything naughty, of course. I was raising money for a veteran. But there you go. It is what it is. Nothing we can do. Live on TikTok. You have to be so careful today. It's a shame, but it is what it is. I think Apple will go up. Apple will go up, but I was hoping for a drop. Yeah, it's the way it works. It's the way it works. It's why I've always said to you guys, everyone here needs to follow me on Twitter, because at any moment I could lose any one of my accounts. Robots run the show, and everything I do is for the benefit of others. And there you go. You saw it happen live right there. It is a shame. It is a shame. It happens all the time. So just in case you haven't yet done it, make sure that you follow me on Twitter. Here's the link in the chat right now, because at any moment we could lose everything. So there you go. There is the link for Twitter, just in case. Are you permanently back off? I don't know yet. It just said I am banned. We'll see what happens. I just got a monetized TikTok channel last week, and I haven't made any money on it yet. But there you go. I certainly won't be now. Anyway, there you go. It's all about other people and these things. We live in a world like this, I'm afraid, where robots control everything. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm not upset about it. Well, yes, I am. I am upset about it, but it is what it is. Let's not take away from what we're doing here today. Right, we've got just 14 minutes to go before the pre-market opens. And what I'll do, I think we'll open the second bag just as we go to the pre-market. So in 30 minutes time, I think we'll open the second bag of money and see where we've jumped up to. So if you've just tuned in this morning, we're doing a live show. It's the Day Trader, as we're live every morning on the Day Trader. Smash the like button, thumbs up the video. And we are doing a special fundraiser. This isn't a fundraiser gig. It was a gig I did over the weekend. 2 nights at Frisco Lakes, which is near Dallas in Texas, and I did a gig, and I surprised the audience and decided that we would do a bit of a fundraiser. So I decided to do something for the audience, and remember, they didn't come out with money. It was a prepaid show. They didn't need to buy drinks. It wasn't a bar. They were just sat watching my show on a private residential venue. No one was coming to a fundraiser. Regular people, regular folks. not rich people, right? So I just wanted to lower the expectation in case everybody thought I'd raise $1 million, right? It was something I just threw in, and because women often throw money at me when I'm dancing and stuff like that. So what we did was we just gave it to Bill instead. That's kind of what we did, all right? So we announced it, we made a big deal out of it, and we'll see what comes up. All right, so we opened the first bag a few moments ago, and the total was 96. We're going to open the second bag. I will tell you the bags get bigger and bigger as we go. All right, and each time we do it, we'll blow up the chat, and let's see if we get a bit more each time. All right? Okay, so pre-market, we are on the hour, we are up 0.36. Sorry, on the hour, up 0.36. On the day, we're up 0.25%. Great. Maybe we'll make $38,000 again, and I'll only be 20 grand down. So we'll see what happens. Tesla is up 1.69 after hours. Okay. And we're trying to see if Apple can dip. Apple's great, but of course we want Apple to dip so we can buy back in. Right now, I'm out of Apple. All right. But Rivian is up 1%. SPCE is up 0.61. GGPI is just down very slightly on the after hours. Remember, the charts don't reflect the price as they've not refreshed until we hit 8 o'clock in 12 minutes time. All right, if you've just tuned in, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. Absolutely great. I'm wearing the gold tie today because it's a special. It's a special, and in 10 minutes we'll open the second bag and we'll see where we get to. All right. Okie dokie. Robinhood is down 1.34 in the after hours. Even though the chart is up, that doesn't show the full picture. All right. Very, very important you understand that. Palantir is up 1.14, up 1.14. PayPal is up 0.48, and Immersion is up 0.41. And On is up 1.17. Rolls-Royce is down 1.31. And down 0.19 as well on Boeing. Apple is up 0.07. Google is up 0.34. Coke is down 0.59. Ethereum is up 2% this morning. Our crypto is up 2%. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is also up 0.5%. I'm not surprised that Bitcoin is lagging a little bit from what Ethereum is doing, because Bitcoin already made its gains. Ethereum, to be honest, is playing catch up. Bitcoin already rose, and over the last couple of days, Ethereum has been catching up. So there we go. All right. Fantastic. Okay, we're getting ready now for the 10 minutes now. 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Awesome stuff. Great stuff indeed. If you've just come into the show, welcome, welcome, welcome. What will you trade today? What will you trade today? I'm looking today to sell some of my Tesla and buy back into Apple. I've got a number of trades, actually. Let me have a look. We will keep our eye on it. Rivian at 67.29, Rivian 83.92, Hood 17.83. There are there's a few trades in place, but mainly I'd like to trim off that 1.3 share of Tesla, put some money back in the buying power, and buy a dip of Apple. That was the idea. Most stocks drop back down again after we get a good earnings report, but Apple didn't do it. It broke all the rules. iDrop says, wait, what? Yeah, that's a shame. Life, it happens. Are you permanently banned? I don't know. What will you trade today? Apple is too expensive. It is right now. Yes, I'm sure it will drop back. So iDrop, I'm looking to buy some Apple when it drops back. All right, we've had a great lift off, and it might continue, and then we'll miss out. But that's how it goes. I decided to put my money behind Tesla instead. Tesla's got the greater growth on its share price right now. That's what I feel. That's what I believe to be the best option right now. But you have to make your own mind up and decide where you want to go. But for me, right, we've got just 8 minutes to go, and we're going to open the next bag for Bill. And when we do, of course, we want to blow up the chat. And let's see how we go. It's a big morning today. It's why I'm wearing a gold tie. Special occasions always require the tie. You know, I don't normally wear one otherwise. And there we go. Over on the global markets, this is the situation right now. Here we are. This is the global markets. Looks quite positive today. Everybody's up. Everyone's doing well. I'd say we've got a reasonable morning ahead of us, which is nice. The markets are looking reasonable this morning. Do expect a promising morning. Morning, great show at the weekend. Well done, Martin. Good morning, Alex. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've just opened the first bag of money. The first bag of money we just opened. We have 6 bags. Leah is counting it live. All we did was we collected three bags one night, 3 bags the second night. Remember, nobody was coming out for a fundraiser. It was my regular gig. And we collected money and we put them in order of size. So hopefully each bag will get more money than the next one. That's the idea. Hopefully that's right. We've opened the first bag and the first bag revealed. Alex, you wasn't here. The first bag was $96. Remember, people did not come out with cash. They came out on a preset show. They didn't need the drinks were free. It's a residential village. They don't need to be carrying money around. These aren't rich people. But we announced Bill, and I said, I want to do something for Bill. And often ladies will bring some dollars along because when I dance, they put money in my suspenders or they throw money at me, stuff like that. So I thought I would do it for Bill this time. So the money was all going to Bill. So we've collected it, and we're going to open another bag when the pre-market begins in 7 minutes' time. All right. So let's see what comes next. Right, the market now, I'm up today, 0.31. Not bad at all. Tesla, at the moment, is up 1.9 on the pre-market. This is great. I'm 13% down, but I could easily now make some money today on Tesla. If Tesla now today goes up to 900, 950, I might start getting tempted to sell one because, look, I bought my last one at $800. So I could sell one share right now and literally pocket $62. That would be nice. Considering I just got suspended from TikTok, one might be a good idea. I had no idea they would regard a fundraiser as a bad thing. Can you? But there you go. Keeps buffering here in the UK. Now everything's fine. Beetle Sean, my stream is perfect. There's nothing wrong with my stream whatsoever. Everything is absolutely fine. I can check all the monitors. It's going out perfectly today, so there should be no issue. Just refresh your screen. Okay, here we go. Just 5 minutes. We're going to open the 5-minute timer now. Here we go. 5 minutes, go. There we go. Before the pre-market. When that hits 0, we shall open our next bag. Our next bag. All right? Okay, here we go. We're now up on the day, 0.31. We are up on the hour, 0.4. So everything is going well this morning. 1.88. I will be looking to sell some Tesla to put some profits back in the bank. Absolutely. And then I'll be looking to buy Apple if it drops. We've not seen any sign of Apple dropping yet at all. Apple looks very, very strong. But if we can, I'd like to get that out there. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. Great show at the weekend. Well done. Thank you very much indeed. Hi, Alex from Bill. Wonderful stuff. Right, we need 5 more likes in the next 5 minutes. We always open the show with 20 likes. If you're watching the show now, just hit the like button. Smash the like button, in fact. Smash it to pieces so you can never like it again. Smash the like button. We need 5 more likes in the next 5 minutes. In fact, 3 minutes 48. All right. Let's see if we can do it. We're at 15 likes right now. Let's make sure we're all streaming good. Yep. Everything is all streaming well. Very, very good. 15 likes. We'll open the next bag when we get to 0. When we get to 0, we'll open the next bag. All right. Good stuff. We're getting excited to see how much, if the money has gone up. The money will definitely go up each time because there's money in each bag. That's all we know. All right. Leah's counting the money for me. If you leave a comment in the super chat, this is what happens. If you become a member, this is what happens. And if you subscribe, this is what happens. There you go. And if anybody would like to become a member, here is the invitation to join. And Alex, Today, your video will have the ad on it as well. That'll be done today. Okay? There we go. There's the invitation to join. We need 5 more likes in the next 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Let's see if we can do it. That'll be really, really good. All right. 18 watching now. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. And when it hits 0, the pre-market will be open. And then we can open the second bag. All right. Cheers. You're very, very welcome. Thank you for being a sponsor. And because of you, it's why we're here. We've only got 15 likes and 18 watching. So 3 people haven't supported the show yet. Smash the like button. You need to be logged into to YouTube to do that. You just use your Google account. It's just like everything. You can't like something on Facebook unless you're signed in. You can't email unless you're online. Same with everything. You need to be logged in to be able to do anything. So there you go. Virgin Galactic is up 0.61. When we hit 0, we are going to open the next bag for Bill. And all the money will go into the bank and then be sent directly to Bill's account. In fact, I could just deposit directly into your bank, actually. I won't even need to transfer. If I go to a bank and just give your bank details, we'll just put it straight into your bank. So that's the best way. What you think about index funds? Index funds are a great investment. Of course they are. The overall index will always do well. In time, you'll always make money on that. I mean, I enjoy all these. I enjoy trading. You know, it's more exciting. But if you want to sit back and watch your money grow, okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. We'll open the next bag. We'll go into the pre-market. Let's bring in the timer. Here we go. Okay, we're getting ready now. Any tips on index funds? Yeah, we'll discuss that later. In fact, what I'll do, I'll make a video on it for you. If people ask me questions like specific like that, rather than answer it, you know, just a little bit here in the show, I'll make a video on it. How about that? I'll make a video on index funds, and then you'll have that. Is that fair? Does that sound good? And I'll post it, and you can go and watch it, and then you've got all the information to hand. Is that good? All right, 20 seconds to go. Here we go. Yes, thank you. Very welcome. If anyone asks me a question, I'll make a video on it, and then you've all got it. Everyone's got it. Here we go. All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're off and running this morning. Fantastic. The pre-market is open. We're going to open our second bag right now. Let's refresh the screens. Let's see what happens. We're in the pre-market right now. We can see where we're going. We only got 15 likes this morning. Didn't quite get to 20. That's a bit of a shame. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. We're about to open the second bag for Bill and see what we've done this morning in our fundraiser. Absolutely great. So here we go. Here we go. We are up 0.31 on the day. Right, let's refresh the screens. Here we go. Let's see what's happened. Right, Tesla is now up 1.92. 1.92, 1.71. Okay, we're doing very, very well. Up nearly 1% Virgin Galactic. All right, we're just going to refresh these and we're going to open the second bag. Okay. Now then, Apple is up but falling back. Falling back. What I need to do is make a trade with Tesla, but it's a bit early yet. We're not there yet. All right. Okay, Leah, hand me my second total. Right, you ready? So now we're going to announce where we are for the second bag. The bags get slightly bigger. So if you've just tuned in, go into the live chat. Let's blow up the chat. Let's get a really big chat going again now, and let's blow it all up. You ready? Go into the live chat. Say, let's make money for Bill. You know, support a veteran. All that kind of great stuff. Go into the live chat right now and leave as many comments as you can. Copy and paste. Blow it up. Let me see if we can get a good chat rate going. Okay, the chat rate is 0 at the moment. It's not moving. Let's see if we can get it to move. And I'll open the second bag. Are you ready? I'm going to count down from 1 minute. Are you ready? You got 1 minute to blow up the chat, and then I'm going to open the second bag. We've got 6 bags. We're on the second bag now. When that clock hits 0, I shall open the bag straight away. Let's blow up the live chat. We've got 15 watching right now. Are you ready? Okay, we got just 1 minute to go. 45 seconds. Here we go. All right. Are you excited? Here we go. Go, go, go! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Right, let's now open up the... oh, let's change that a minute. That doesn't want to be there. That should be the trading screen. Why has it gone there? No, in fact, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. I don't think. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. Right. Okay, let's go to the trading screen. Here we go. We're opening the next bag now. All right, here we go. So, the first bag we opened this morning when we started the show was 96. That's the first bag. Each bag gets slightly bigger. Remember, people did not come out with their money. All right? Okay, here we go. Here is the second bag. Let's blow up the chat. All this money goes to Bill to buy him a scooter. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Will it go over $100? I think so. Here we go. $168. That's better. That's better. Great stuff. All right, we got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 bags left. And Leah says the next bags get a bit bigger, so it's exciting. All right, we'll do the next one in 10 minutes' time. We'll open the next bag in 10 minutes. All right, I'm excited now to see where it's going to go. Remember, I've got no idea. All I'm doing is just giving the number that Leah hands in to me when it comes in. Wow, nice. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's quadrupled what he's already raised on his fundraiser. I think it's... no, what is it on his fundraiser now? Is it 111? I think it is. It's 168 now. All right. Okay. And we'll do it in at 1:15 the hour, which is in just 10 minutes from now. 10 minutes from now. All right. We'll do the next bag. Ka-ching. All right, absolutely great. Nice. All right, here we go. Up 0.25. Tesla is now up 2%. Really, really good. All right, I want to make a profit. I'd like to, I'm up $63 on one share. I would like to be able to sell Tesla, $950, even maybe $1,000. I'd like to see it because their earnings report was fantastic. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. And there you go. Give us a thumbs up, all right? Very, very important. Rivian is up 1.72. SPCE is up 0.49. It's what we're looking for this morning is Apple to drop back as Tesla pop up. So it's you need the timing to be right. It doesn't matter if Apple goes down now. I need Tesla to go up first. I need Tesla to go around about 1,000. And there goes Apple. If Apple can go down, then it's getting better all the time. Yes, it is. Yes, that's not bad. $168. I wish someone. I'd be thrilled to bits if someone gave me $160. $168. Remember, I sit here every day for a couple of bucks. That's all I get right now. And unfortunately, we're not on TikTok anymore. They just took us off because they thought this was a bad thing that we were doing a fundraiser. I have no idea why. But there you go. Rivian is up 1.8. Tesla is up 2.2. Virgin Galactic. Now, what we're going to do when we get the final total, we're going to get Bill on the phone. We're going to get Bill on the phone. And I think the best way to do it, Bill, is actually through this. In fact, I'm going to give it to you now, Bill. So you've got time to get this sorted, right? Whether you're on your phone, whether you're on an iPad, whether you're on a computer, all you do is you put this address into the URL bar, into the address bar, right, which is bit.ly/Martyn Live. And as long as you've got a camera on your device, so your phone, iPad, computer, whatever, probably the easiest way, Bill, is just use your phone. Just go into your phone, go into your browser, and type in https://. You don't need that, that's obvious, right? bit.ly/Martyn Live, right? It'll ask you to connect your camera and your microphone, and then you can call in. And then you will be in the interview screen. You will be here in the interview screen, just in here. All right? You will be in there. And when you call in, you will be in there. And I've no idea why my camera is there. Let me turn that off. Right, let me turn that back on again and change the camera. It should be this camera. Why is it that camera? That's weird. Let me change it. Oh, there we go. That's better. Right, you'll be in here. You'll be in this space. All you got to do is use your phone, right? You don't need a fancy computer or anything special. You just need your phone, all right? And as we do the top ones, you can call in because everybody wants to see you, all right? People will be watching this video later on today at the retirement village to see how much they raise because they don't know either. No one knows. I don't know. Leah probably doesn't know. She's counting bag by bag, all right? All right. Well, I'm up 0.44 today. We'll open the next bag in 6 minutes. All right. On the hour, I'm up 0.57. On the day, I'm up 0.44. We've got the day trader of the day competition. Of course, if you've just tuned in, Friday is the big cash giveaway. We do it every Friday. It's getting better all the time, Bill said. Yes, it is. And Moose just sent me something in about Tesla. We'll open that in a second. Tesla's now moving up 2.34, 2.35. Let's get it on hand. Bill just sent. Moose just sent me in something. So I'm just about to open it up. Let me get to this screen, and then I can bring it in. Thank you ever so much. Credit Suisse. Okay. Let me bring this comment in from Moose. And we've got just, 5 minutes to go now before we open the next bag. So let's put the timer up. 5 minutes. When that hits 0, we open the next bag. All right? Okay. Here we go. Let's have a look. Tesla. Right. Let's have a look at this. This is interesting. Thanks for sending it in, Moose. This is about Tesla this morning. And it says here, Credit Suisse upgrades Tesla to outperform from neutral. Price target now is 1,025. There we go. But I do believe that Tesla will always outsell its stock price. All right. There's too much positive stuff involved with Tesla for it just to do its target. Elon Musk has a cult following, and people really love him, and I'm very confident that it'll be more than that. But there you go. Credit Suisse upgrades 1,025. So there we go. If we can get to around about the 1,000, I might sell, but I think, to be honest with you, I might let it go a bit higher than that. We'll see how it pans out during the morning. Thank you ever so much, Moose, for sending that in. All right. Let's go now to the main portfolio. As you can see, we are up today. We are up. The hour is also up. Everything's positive right now. Tesla is up 2.32. It's not where I want it to be yet. It's not where I want it to be yet. I've got one share I can sell, make $66. That'd be nice. I could do that. But I'm not going to yet. I'm going to leave it for a little while longer. Rivian is up 1.8. Very, very nice. SPCE is taking off. Apple, we want to get into Apple. Apple, great. Moving down. This is what we want to see. We want to see Apple go down. Okay? I mean, you don't want to see that if you've just bought something. I get it, but I want to see it go down. So what we're going to do, we're going to open the next bag in 2 minutes 57 seconds from now, and see how we do. Google is up today 2.6, Coke is down 0.54, Ethereum is up 2%, and Bitcoin is also up 1%. Okay, very, very nice indeed. It's getting better all the time, says Bill. All right, 2.5 minutes to go. Let's remind ourselves what the second bag of money was. Let's have a look. The second bag of money was 168. Why isn't that, hang on a minute. Oh, I know why. There we go. I was thinking, why isn't that showing this morning? There we go, that's better. Okay, that's better. Yeah, the first bag was 96. And the second bag was 160, up to 168 total. All right, let's see where our total goes next. In 2 minutes from now, we'll open the third bag. We've got 6 bags. They get bigger as we go. Let's see if we can get over 200 bucks now. All right. Very, very good. Okay, we've got just 1 minute and 36 to go. And then we go into the 15-minute countdown for the market to open, and then we'll open the fourth bag. All right, we'll open the fourth bag. There are 6. Okay, here we go. 1 minute, 20 seconds to go. Are you ready? Rivian is now still lifting up. This is good. Going well. The Tesla is up. Rivian is up. Apple, we want it to fall. Oh, perfect. Whoa, 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 whoa. There goes Apple. Down she goes. There we go, Bill. That works perfectly. I can see you on the screen. All right, here we go. Let me bring in the timer. Hey, that works perfect. Hang on, Bill. Stay right where you are. That is perfect. Bill is in the house. Hey, let me show you. Look. If I go to the interview screen, Bill, you're coming on camera now. Here you go. You ready? All right. Here he is. Look, there's Bill. Give us a wave, everybody. There's Bill. Fantastic. We'll bring Bill live into the show very shortly. There he is. There's the man we're doing it all for this morning. Great stuff. Thank you, Bill, for being here. We'll bring you back on the show. Just keep it right there. Perfect. Right, okay. Apple is falling down. That's exactly what we want to see. Absolutely perfect. Right, 15, 14, 13. Here we go. We're going to go straight into the next timer for the next bag and the opening market. You ready? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, okay. Let's get straight into the next one now. And let's bring up the 15-minute timer. Right, when 15 minutes gets to 0, we open the next bag, which will be the fourth bag. We're now going to open the third bag, and that will also coincide with the market opening, just as Apple is falling down. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. So, Tesla is up 2%. Apple is falling down. There you go. Have patience in the market. Right, let's open our next bag. Are you ready? Let's open our next bag. Here we go. Once again. Right. Here we go. Our first total of the night was 96. We opened the second bag. Our total went to 168. We're now going to open the third bag. Our total now for Bill to get him a scooter. Are you ready? Here's our third total. Here it comes. Drum roll, please. Blow up the chat. Everybody now, blow up the chat. Come on, blow up the chat. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Third bag. Let's open it. The total now is... Here it comes. $328. Fantastic. We've gone through $300 now. Brilliant. 328. Fantastic. I can actually see a reaction from Bill. The money is going up now. We said the bags were getting bigger. I like it. 328. Absolutely great. Really, really great. Let's see if we can get Bill on the phone. I don't know if he's still there. We've just lost him on the camera. We'll see if we can bring him back in again. And well, there he is. Let's go over to Bill right now, and let's see if we can get some reaction. We've now got 328, which is 3 times as much as he has in his Fundly account right now, so which is great. And we got 3 bags to go, the 3 biggest ones, all right? Okay, let me bring Bill in now. Let's get a reaction from Bill. Here he is. There's Bill on the screen. How are you, Bill? Let me unmute him. Okay. You muted the guest. Let me unmute you. Guest has muted themselves. Just click unmute, Bill. There's a button which says mute. Just click the mute button and you'll unmute yourself. All right, it says guest has muted themselves. So if you click the mute button, you will unmute yourself. Tap on the screen, it says mute. There's a microphone and it says mute. I can come back to you, Bill. Don't worry about it. But on the screen, there's a little button which says mute and you've just tapped it. And by tapping it, you mute yourself. All right? So I'll let you work that out. We'll come back to you, Bill. You've got all the time in the world. There's no hurry. There's no stress. There's no urgency whatsoever. All right? You take your time. No problem at all. And we'll get that sorted in a minute. All right? We'll come back to Bill in a minute. Right, now Apple is falling down. We've got 12 minutes to go before the bell goes. There we go. There you go, Bill.
Yeah.
You're back again now. Perfect.
I can see the... Oh, maybe you can hear me now.
Yep, I can hear you now, Bill. All right. Right, when you talk to me on here, when you come on the camera, you need to mute the TV.
I had to go off and on again.
Yeah, you need to mute the TV when you come on here because we can hear you on the telly. Does that make sense? All right. We'll come back to you in a minute, Bill. All right.
There we go.
There you go. $328 so far, Bill. We've got 3 bags to go. You getting excited?
Say it again. I had to turn up the sound on my phone.
Oh, there you go. So we've opened the 3rd bag. We're up to 328. We've got the 3 bigger bags to go now. So we're hoping the next one will go over 500. Who knows how far we're going to go?
That's amazing.
These are strange people that you've never met, mate. That would
I know.
You know.
I seen that. A lot of them looked like they could have been veterans themselves.
Yes, indeed. And they didn't come out with money. You know, they wasn't. Some of them nipped back to their apartments to come back with some dollars. It was like that. Really? All right. So you'll see. That's anyway, good. We'll come back to you in a minute. How you feeling, Bill?
Right now, I don't know. I'm amazed. It's just crazy. It's never happened before.
There you go.
It's really nice.
All right.
You're the man.
Bill, we'll be back with you very, very shortly. Let's hope that the numbers get bigger. All right, see you in a minute, mate. There we go. Perfect. There you go. There's Bill. Look, perfect. He knows exactly what he's doing now. Spot on. Right, we'll be back with Bill very, very shortly. You can see how excited he is and how much it means to him. Absolutely wonderful. Lovely to see. Really, really great. So, Dr. Nathan Smith just tuned in. Welcome, Dr. Nathan Smith. It's a big morning this morning. We've just opened the 3rd bag of cash for Bill. I did a gig over the weekend. It wasn't a fundraiser gig. It was a theatre gig in a retirement village. People were there to watch my show. That's it. And I decided to go out in the audience, dance around. And when I often do that, some ladies think it's fun to throw some money at me. So I thought, hang on a minute, I could do this for Bill. Now, just bearing in mind, they didn't come out with any money. They didn't need any money. They were on a retirement village, a residential venue, free drinks, free food. No one needed any money. But some of them ran back to their apartments to grab a few dollars. And they're going, I haven't got any cash and all that stuff. Well, so far, Dr. Nathan Smith, we've opened the first 3 bags. And our total now, with what we've been doing this morning, we just opened our 3rd bag, $328. We've got 3 more bags to go. It's getting very exciting. We've got Bill live on the show. He's going to call in again, and we're going to get his reaction as we open the next bag. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, let's all give positive energy that the next bag we get to a total of 516. Let's hope we get to 500, I don't know, 516, 520. Let's see if we can go over 500. All right? Let's see if we can break 500 the next time. That would be really, really great. All right? So, anyway, are you ready? Okay. So when the next one comes up, I want to see if we can go over 500. All right? It'd be really, really great, okay? Okay. Thank you ever so much. Congratulations. Can you put the link to Bill's GoFundMe page? Yes, we will. Bill can put that in. Bill, put that in. Or I can go and grab it. I don't think I've got it to hand. I haven't got it to hand right now. I haven't got that to hand right now. Let me think a minute. Oh, hang on a minute. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Let me take you over to this screen. We've got just 8 minutes to go now. When that hits 0, we will do the next one. Okay, I'm going to put the GoFundMe in now for Bill. All right. So let me go over to that screen a minute and share that with you. Okay. Let me bring into the hour position so I can open up this screen, and I will put it in the chat. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So if we've got any rich people tonight that want to do like I'll match it. Sometimes you get people go, I'll match it. That'll be good, wouldn't it? Anyway, we're just going to grab Bill's link a minute, and we can put that in as well. This is his Fundly one, right? Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to send the money directly to Bill. Here we go. Let me put it in there. There we go. Right. Dr. Smith, you asked for it. There it is. There you go. I've given it to you there. Fantastic. All right. Great. Now, as you can see, on his GoFundMe, he's raised... he likes lying down. Let me change his picture. There we go. He's raised $111. Right. Well, so far this morning from my show, I've added another $368 to that. So there we go. So that's nearly $500 now, isn't it? The two together, 111 there he's raised, and I've done 368. So there we go. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll see if that goes up throughout the morning. I've just dropped the link in the live chat. We got, 5 minutes to go, and we're going to open the 4th bag and add it together and see where we go. All right, for the next one. Okay. Right, the market is up on the day, up on the hour. Looking very good. Very, very nice indeed. Tesla's moving up. I need Apple to drop back. There we go. Apple's going down. I need Apple to go down below 160. 160 would be perfect. I sold it. 160, 158. I'd like to get it 100. I'd like to get it below 160. Below 160 would be perfect, to be perfectly honest. Below 160 would be great for me. That would work very, very nicely if that did that, okay? So that's kind of where I'm aiming, okay? Right, when we get to 0, we should open the next bag. And we're hoping now we can get over $500. We're up to 368 now, total. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes before the bell goes. There we go. I see 592. I see 592. Where do you see 592, Bill? Where do you see 592? The last one was 368. You mean including 368 plus? Yes, that's what he means. He means including, yeah. Yeah, 592 including, absolutely right. Okay, we've got 3 minutes to go. Yeah, total. The total now is 368, Bill. Okay. Oh, we just gained a subscriber this morning. Thank you very much indeed if you just subscribed to the show. Thank you very much. Hang on, Bill, you're doing your calculations wrong, mate. Right? Our total is $368. Don't start adding things up together and timesing them by 3 and adding 6. Right? The total I've got for you is 368. Right, we've got 3 minutes to go before we open it. 368 plus 111. That's the total, mate. 368 plus 111. Which is 478. 479. That's the total, Bill. All right, do your maths right. Otherwise, you're going to be making up all sorts of numbers. It's your show, Martin. You're damn right there. Thank you ever so much, mate. Right, okay. 2 minutes. If you want to open the fourth bag, you have to blow up the chat now. Blow up the chat. Let's see it go to 500. Send some love to Bill. All that stuff. All right. Okay, come on then. Let's do it. We're opening the next bag now. When that hits 0, we're going to open the fourth bag. We've got 6 bags to go. We've got 6 bags. The total so far is 328 in total. He's using an abacus. I was putting in each bag. These are the totals, Bill. We're giving you the totals as they go up, right? We've now got $328. All right? So, are you ready? Let's bring in the music. Blow up the chat now. 1 minute 32 before we open and get the next total. Here we go. Let's get the next total. Here we go. The stocks are moving up. We got the bell's going to go. Bring it. 18 likes now. Smash the like button. Subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. 368 is the total so far. Yes, the total. It's the total. Right, Tesla is now up 3%. Perfect. Looking for a trade this morning. And then Apple dropping back. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, here we go. Okay, the market's about to open. And then we'll also do the... open the next bag and see how much the total's gone up to. Leah's already counted it. She's about to bring it in. She's ready to go. We're just waiting now for the bell to open. Okay, get the bell to go. Here's the market. Tesla doing well. 18, 17, 16. Here we go. I'm looking to sell Tesla around 950, maybe 1,000, and then buy Apple if it dips. That's the plan. All right. Okay, the market is now open. Let's ring the bell. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 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 go. All right, the market is now open. Fantastic. All right, stuff. Great. I'll set a 15-minute clock for the next total. You ready? Right, Tesla is up right now, and Rivian is moving up. Apple is now, well, hoping it's going to fall down and down and down. I want to get it for about 160. All right? Okay. Very, very exciting stuff. Here is Bill's GoFundMe. He is now up to 111. All right? There it is. Let me refresh the screen. 111. 165. He's moved to 165 now. Dr. Nathan Smith. John Brunette has just come in. We got more donations just come in. Bill, 165 now. 165 on GoFundMe. Great. Okay, let's get the new total. Leah has counted the next bag. We've got a new total. Are you ready? Now, Bill's lost connection. We're going to wait for Bill to come back. As soon as Bill comes back, we'll open, we'll give you the total. All right? Okay, here we go. We're just waiting for Bill to come back. We seem to have lost Bill. He's got no connection. But we'll move on because we've got 2 more bags anyway. Right, here we go. Tesla is just moving back again. Apple is also, let's go through the whole thing. Rivian is dropping back. Virgin is now up 2%. Great. Gores Guggenheim is up 0.41. Lucid is up 1.66. Robinhood is down 4%. Wow. I can't believe that. The wallets are out. They're absolutely great. So simple to use. You just register for it. You've got your wallet. Has everyone seen my video of the wallet? It's dead easy. It just converts your money into a wallet without even doing anything. It's already done. You can send and receive directly from your account. It's absolutely great. So easy. It couldn't be easier, to be honest. I mean, I don't know how you'd make it easier. I don't know how you'd make it any easier. All right, these are all the stocks this morning. Okay. Going down now. Apple, exactly what I want to happen, but I want Tesla going up first. All right. I don't really want to sell Tesla yet. There's more it can do. There's more it can do. It's not there yet. Okay. We've lost Bill for the minute, but we'll open the next one because you all asked for it. You ready? Okay. Let's go. Let's see what the new total is. Our last total. Pressed the wrong button. All right, here we go. So we're now gonna get the new total. Are we gonna go over $500? I am getting a 404. Oh, I can't help you there. Good morning, Queen of Self-Braiding. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna open to the next total. Here we go. The last total was 328. All right. Leah's counted the next bag. We add it together and we give you a new grand total. All right. Okay, so here we go. Bill's money on GoFundMe has now gone up to $165. All right, but the gig I did over the weekend to raise money for Bill, remember, it wasn't a fundraiser. People were just giving me tips they would have given me, so they didn't come out with a lot of money, just a couple of dollar bills for a bit of a joke. Right, here we go. Here is the total now. Fingers crossed we go over $500. Blow up the chat, everybody, if you want to see it go over $500. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, let's get the new total now. Come on, over $500. Here we go. The new total is $516. Absolutely fantastic. We've gone through $500. Absolutely great. We got 2 bags to go. The money's going up now. The money's going up every time. This is great. Okay. Right. When that hits 0, that clock there, we will open, and Leah's counting the 5th bag. There are 6 bags. And let's see how much we get on the next bag. There we go. 516 is the total. This is great. And then we can add that to the Fundly account, which is now 165. Absolutely awesome. There we go. Couldn't be better. We've not got Bill on the phone right now, and he's lost connection. He can't get in. I've no idea why. It's the same link, Bill. Hasn't changed. Nothing's different. It's the same link. Let me give it you on the screen again, just in case you've lost it or whatever it might be. Let me give you the. There is the link. All right. I'll put it in the chat for you. All right, I'm going to put it in the chat for you right now, just in case you lost it. Just making sure I spelt it correctly. Yes, I have. Right, there is the link. There is the link. Let's go. That was a great... We got over $500. We got over $500. Brilliant stuff. Absolutely great. Tesla is now up 4%. I'm looking to trade at anything above 900. There you go. Bill's back in again. There you go, Bill. Right, so Bill, we've now got... All right. Let's bring it in again. We've now got, with 2 more bags to go, so we're going up all the time. We've now got, what was the last total? Let me bring it back in again. Where was it? The last total was 516 plus 165 on GoFundly. So there you go. We're going up. Let's get a reaction from Bill. We've got 8 minutes to go before we get another new total. Let me go over now to Bill and let's bring him in. Here he is. Let's put Bill in the green room. Sign him over there. All right, Bill, you're back on screen again. Another total. Let me go over now to Bill and let's bring him in. Here he is. Let's put Bill in the green room. Sign him over there. If you just mute your TV a second, Bill. Let me go over now to Bill and let's bring him in.
I gotta turn it off.
There you go. Yeah. Bill, the last total was $516 plus 165. You're doing well now. It's going up nicely.
Yeah. Well, what I was doing wrong when I was adding it up, every time you showed me the total, I thought that was what was in that single bag. So I was adding the first bag, the second bag, and the third time you showed it. So that's where I went wrong.
Oh, I wish it was, Bill. You'd have $1 million by now.
Yeah, well, went from 96, and then the next one, I added that one, and then I added the next one, so like 328, and I was up to 500 then. Yeah.
Well, you got 516 plus 165 right now.
Getting good. That's good. Nice.
Yeah.
People can be nice. I'm in Canada. You wonder why, even.
Look into your phone, Bill. Look into your phone. That's where we can see you.
I'm watching the TV.
Yeah, I know. It's very confusing. It's very confusing. All right. I'm going to let you go now. Now we're excited because we're now down to the last 2 bags. Let's see. Wouldn't it be great? With 516. Let me do a little bit of maths for you. So we got 516 plus 165. Dr. Nathan Smith's just come in. You now have 681 in total. Fantastic. All right.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get over $1,000. Let's see if we can get $1,000. All right. I'll see you back in a minute, Bill. All right, mate? All right. See you in a bit. There we go. Awesome stuff. There goes Bill, everybody. And we'll bring him back in again, and we'll see if we can get him near to buy that scooter. All right. So when it gets to 0, we'll do it again. Now, Tesla is up 4.79 now. Tesla is up 4.79. And we're up 1.1% today on the day. Absolutely fantastic. Going very, very well. Love it. Okay, right now, though, let's very, very quickly, and we've got to pay the bills. Okay, so an ad will come up, and you can skip the ad. All right, here comes the ad. Here it comes. There you go. Just 10 seconds and we're back again with you once again. If you saw the ad, you can skip that or watch it. I don't mind. All right, there we go. Everything is good. 5 minutes to go and we'll see what the total has now moved up to. Right. Tesla now is up 4.78. If you've just tuned in today, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We're a bit quiet today for a Monday morning. I'm surprised it's so quiet, especially after a really great weekend. I thought we'd have been busier this morning. Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Let's see if we can get the 20 likes. All right? Okay, here we go. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're the Day Trader. We're live every morning for the opening and closing bell. But today we're also helping raise money for a bill, by the way. I did a gig over the weekend and people were in the audience. And I decided, because I go out in the audience very often and some of the women get up and give me money. So I thought, hang on a minute, I can do it to raise money for Bill, right? So that's what I decided to do. And this time they started giving me some money, and of course it's all going to Bill. We've collected all the money. Our class act dancers collected all the money for me in 6 bags, and we haven't opened it until now, and we're counting it. And as we count it, we get a new total, and that's the total I'm bringing to you. We've got 2 bags to open. Leah's done it now. She's counted the next one. And she keeps updating the total with me. All right? So there we go. Now then, we're up 1.36. We've got the day trader of the day coming up shortly. In 3 minutes, we get our next total. If you want to support through Bill's GoFundMe, there is the link on the screen. I will add that to what I've managed to get, and we'll see how we end up doing. All right, Tesla is now 4.76. Rivian is up 5%. Great. Really, really great. What we're waiting for is Apple to drop, and it didn't. It's up again. We didn't really get a drop. It dropped a tiny bit, and it's back up again. So we're not really able to buy back in there, which is a shame, but we'll just have to wait for it. We'll have to have patience. And maybe we won't get back in again. That's how it goes. Right, 2 minutes to go. So you've got 2 minutes to blow up the super chat. Right? The latest total was, let me get back to the trading screen. The latest total was 516. Let's see if we can push it up. What's the next target? What do you want to get now? 600? 1,000? I mean, I don't know. Let's go 600. See if we get past 600, all right? So everybody send some positive energy, and let's see if we can get it up again, and then we'll add that to the GoFundMe and see how we do. But it would be great if we could end up tonight with $1,000. That would be absolutely amazing, all right? So 516 in 1 minute, from 1 minute 58, we'll give you the new total. All right? We're at 1.28 now on the day. 5.4 up on Tesla. Brilliant. I'm so glad. I'm now just down 10%. Soon to make some money on Tesla. If it pops up to 950, I'm hoping it's going to go up to 1,000, and then I might trim some off the top. Rivian is up today as well. SPCE just dropping back from its height of 1.97. Gores Guggenheim is just up a bit as well, 2%. Very, very good for them. Robinhood's down, but now bouncing back. Have I got anything to sell there? Yes, I bought at 10, sold at 11. Where are we now? Yeah. Going to leave that for now. Okay, here we go. Let's bring in the music. 1 minute to go. As we hit 0, we'll give you a new update. You ready? Here we go. Robinhood is now lifting up. Here we go now. 138 on the day. Doing very, very nicely. What about the live position? Yep, straight up. Everything's looking great right now. Tesla, we want to make a profit on Tesla. All right. Here we go. 5.29. Okay, here we go. 2, 1. All right. Time to get a new update. So, we got Bill on the phone. All right, we got Bill on the phone. He's ready to call in, and we're going to do another update. The Queen of Cell braiding is up 3.73. Fantastic. Nice one. Congratulations to you. Right, let's get a new update. First of all, let's go over to GoFundMe. See if anybody has added to that. It's now 165. Let me just refresh it. All right, 165, and that was thanks to Dr. Nathan Smith coming in this morning. Great stuff. All right, so here we go. Here's our next challenge. The last total we had was $516. All right, our last total was $516. Let's see if we can get it up above there now. All right. Okay, let's see what happens. 516 was our last one. All right, here we go. Blow up the super chat. Are you ready? Let's get a reaction from Bill. It'd be great if we go over $600, and then we'll have the final bag to open and the final total, and we'll do that in 15 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Here is our next bag. Drum roll, please. Come on. Let's get over 600. $620. $620. We now got $620. Fantastic. So $600 plus $165 on GoFundMe. So let me do that now. $620 plus $165. $785 now in total. Great stuff. There we go. Nearly $1,000 now. Nearly $1,000. Let me go back to Bill. Let's see how he's doing. Nearly $1,000 donated by complete strangers and friends here on the Day Trader. Absolutely incredible. Let me get a reaction from Bill. Let me bring him in. Here he is. Let me just, you muted the guest. I'll unmute him. There he is. All right, Bill. You're back?
I'm back.
You're back. In the garage, there he is. There's the broken scooter. That's the one we need to replace. That one doesn't work anymore. That's the one we need to get sorted out. All right, so there you go. There's Bentley the dog. And we're getting close now to 1,000. That was great. Over $600 plus your 165. Eh?
He always watches you.
I know. Absolutely brilliant. There's Bill in the garage. Look, every morning he's in the garage, and we want to get him out of the garage. That's the point, so he can walk the dog and help Bentley out. Brilliant. There we go. All right, we got one more bag to do, and then the total, and this is the biggest bag. So hopefully now, hopefully, wouldn't it be great if we could get over $1,000? All right, we'll be back with Bill very shortly. See you in a bit, Bill. See you in a bit, mate. There he is. There's Bill with his dog. And let's see how we do for the last one. We'll do it. Okay, I'll bring up the timer now. We'll do it in 15 minutes. Now, this will be the grand total. This will be the grand total. All the money we have. There's no more money. This is the whole thing. So, if you want to add to it and you want to be part of the GoFundMe, there's the link. Dr. Nathan Smith just made a donation. And let's see where we end up. And we'll do the final total when that reaches 0. It won't be any more. There'll be the grand total, and that'll be it. All right. So we're up Tesla this morning, nearly 5%. I could sell one share and make $86, but I'm not going to. Rivian is still lifting off. Everything is still lifting up this morning. No real dips to come yet, so I'm not selling anything yet. We're still climbing. Up 3% this morning for Virgin Galactic. Really, really good. Gores Guggenheim is up 0.29. What's the story on Apple? Has it fallen back? No, it's not. It's up 1%. It's not falling back. Might not ever be able to get it again at that price. It may now have surpassed that, and there's no dip, but that's fine. I'm not in it right now, and that's it. Never have the fear of missing out. FOMO is not your friend. All right? Okay. When that clock hits 0, we will give you the final total. All right? So, Ethereum is up 2%. Bitcoin is up 0.72. All right? We're moving up all the time. The GoFundMe for Bill stands at 165. There it is right now. All right? We'll come back to that, and we'll get the total for everything in when the clock reaches 0. Okay. On the day, I'm up 1.57. On the hour as well, we will also do the Day Trader of the Day competition. Let's see who is the winner. All right. Okay. Awesome. Tesla is up nearly 5% right now. We're doing very well. Rivian is now up 5% as well. Doing well there. SPCE is up 2.8%, nearly 3%. Very, very nice indeed. Gores Guggenheim is up 0.29. Very good. Lucid is up 3.3% as well. Everything's having a good day. Oh, look at Robinhood this morning. Up 2%. And it had dropped. 15%. So 17% swing today for Robinhood. If you'd have bought that dip, you'd have made 17% this morning. That's a huge swing by anyone's stretch. If you've just tuned in, you notice that we've got the gold tie on today. It's a special day. It's a gold day because we're doing something special for somebody today, and that person is Bill. All right. Okay, here we go. Up 2.36. I mean, literally, we were down this morning 15%. What a swing this morning. People are I wouldn't be surprised if people are shorting the hell out of that. For that to drop like that and bounce, that's a 17% swing within the first 20 minutes of the market. That's unbelievable. That's a heck of a drop. That's a heck of a drop. Literally. Here, we were down 16%. You've made $2.30 on a share. Wow. That was a missed opportunity we didn't have, but my money's locked in with Tesla right now. But overall, look, I'm up nearly 2%, so that's good. 38,000 again. We're just $20,000 off my my all-time high. So we've got a very long way to go to get back, but I've got no doubt about it. We will get back there. So let's have a look on the week and see how it looks on the week. You can see it's starting to. Oh, sorry, not Tesla. I beg your pardon. Let's look on the portfolio on the week. 10 minutes to go for the total. Okay, here we go. Let's look on the week now. There we go. We're up 3% on the week. Not bad now. Starting to get some returns. On the month, long way to go. Down 20%. Long way to go. As you can see, these are mere blips right now, but we'll take them. But yeah, there you go. On the hour, in the last few minutes, we've shot up, and we're up now 2.23. We're having a good morning. Queen of Self Braiding is up 3.73. Hey all, morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Mark Korn. Wonderful stuff. Okay, 10 minutes to go for our final total of the day. How much we can send to Bill plus your Fundly. All right, the whole thing together. All right. So here we go. Tesla's now at 5.77, touching 900. I'm really feeling very confident about Tesla. I'm not going to sell it at 900. I could sell. I bought one share at 800. I could sell one share now, make $100 profit, and that would give me $900. $900 would be nice right now. Rivian is now taking off. SPCE is also taking off. Everything is returning back where we said it would be. Got a long way to go, but looking very positive this morning. And the further in we go, the more chance that these prices will hold. Profit taking is normally within the 15-20 minutes. We're now 25 minutes in and we're still pumping. So I'm hoping now we'll get some real momentum, some real money will come back into the markets, and these high risk stocks, which I love, will continue to climb, and people will be tempted to hold these stocks and buy more as watch them rise, and not sell them out and not return them back down again. So there we go. Apple is up as well, but you see why I sold Apple. Apple is great, but it's only up 1.3 today, whereas Tesla is up nearly 6. So I'm gained 4% there. I sold Apple to buy Tesla. I think Tesla has the greatest growth right now. Tesla dropped after its earnings. Apple hasn't done that. And sometimes it happens straight away. Sometimes it doesn't happen at all. But sometimes it happens a few days, even a week later. So, you know, there might be some profit taken from Apple and then I can buy in. So I'm going to profit from Tesla at some point. Not yet. Not yet. But I will. I'll probably sell 2.37 shares because that's my fractional share. That's probably what I'll end up doing. But not yet. And if it drops back a bit more, that's fine. It could. But I still think that it's got a ways to go. All right, we've got 7.5 minutes to go. And we will give our grand total this morning. Virgin Galactic up 4% this morning. Great news, of course. I have a huge amount invested in this. I have 920 shares. I'm down right now $5,000. I'm down 41%. But that could climb up very quickly on any great news. On any great news. I'm expecting news. So, expecting to see Virgin Galactic in the next month or so return. At least the point where I could trim off. That's a trade I'll take as well. As we start to rise up, very, very quickly, SPCE will become too large. It's 20% right now. It's too large right now. My next trades are around the 9, yeah. Yeah, around the $9. Here we go. We're coming up to it now, actually. 8.52. We get 9.50, 10, 10.50, 11. I'll start trimming off. I'll start trimming off and banking profits. Right, 6 minutes to go for the grand total. And then we'll be ending the show early today. We just wanted to focus on today's show for Bill, and then we'll be back, of course, as always, for the closing bell. Up 4.6. Lucid up nearly 5%. So if you just tuned in, when we hit 0, we're going to get the grand total and tell you exactly how much money we raised. In total, no more bags to open, no more drama, no more drum rolls. That'll be the final one. So get ready for it. 2.45 immersion. On is up nearly 6%. Rolls Royce is up as well. Boeing is up 1%. Apple is up 1%. Coke, Ethereum 2.74. 1.1. $2.33. 5 minutes to go. Looking great. We're about to give the grand total. Looking to sell Tesla. If it does fall back now, I don't mind. I'm not looking really to sell it yet. I could sell one now, make $100. That would give me 900. That would give me the 900 back. The 800 back I paid and the $100 profit. I could do that and have $900 on standby, and then if it drops again, do it again. But for me, I'd like to see it go higher than that. Right, got 4 minutes to go. We'll be getting a grand total. Lucid is still lifting up. I've only got 12 shares of Lucid right now. I used to have, I think, about 80 or something like that, but only got 12 right now. Robinhood, huge swing today. A swing of nearly 20%. Yep, you heard me say that. 20% swing today. It dropped 15%. It's up 4% now. Huge swings today. Huge swings. When the clock hits 0, in 3 minutes from now, we will be doing the grand total. Hey, Robert. Good morning, Robert. Smash the like. Robert's here. Drop it in the chat. You've come just at the right time because we're about to give the grand total. Over the weekend, I did a gig. It wasn't a fundraiser gig. It was a regular gig. And when I go out in the audience, some of the women sort of, throw some dollar bills at me. They enjoy doing that. So I thought we could turn it into some sort of fun for Bill. So they don't really come out with much money because they don't need any money. It's a retirement village, a residential venue. There's no bar. Everything is free. They just watch the show and go home. And they already live on site. So no one comes out with any money. So no one was prepared for a fundraiser gig. So just wanted to lower your expectations a bit. But we did 2 nights. People were even running back to their apartments to get some more cash to come back to support Bill. They thought it was a lovely thing to do and they wanted to support him. So complete strangers who have never met Bill. Some of them are going to watch the video later on today and watch this video and see what who Bill is, because that's why we got Bill on the phone. Bill is about to call in 2 minutes, 30 seconds from now. We'll see Bill on the screen and you will see how much money we raised. Okay? And hopefully, wouldn't it be amazing? Wouldn't it be amazing if we can get over $1,000? It would be amazing. The last total we got to was let me just check what the last total was. The last total was 620. $620. We broke 600, right? So it might be a big ask to hope $1,000, but Leah did say each bag got slightly bigger. So she counted it, added it to the total, and she's just done it. We're ready to go. We're going to add this now to the last total and bring us the grand total in 1 minute from now. Here we go. So get ready. I want to blow up the super chat right now. You got 1 minute 30 seconds. Blow up the super chat. Wish Bill all the best. Let's hope we can get him $1,000. Be absolutely fantastic. Blow up the chat right now. You got 1 minute to do it. Copy and paste. Smash the like. Blow up the chat. We're very quiet this morning. It's a shame on this big occasion. Wearing a gold tie. Special occasion. I wanted our biggest ever show. Our biggest ever show, of course, was Friday. No, was it Thursday when we had? No, it was Friday morning, wasn't it? Was it Friday morning when we had our star guest, Greg Dickerson? That was our biggest ever show. All right, here we go. Let's bring in the timer now. Whoops-a-daisy, sorry about that. Here we go, is the music. Go fund. Okay, here it is. Here is the grand total. This is the amount of money that we have raised for Bill in total. There's no more surprises. This is it. Right, looking at the stocks now, we're up 2.76. Tesla is up 5.5 this morning. Holding, Rivian is moving up. SPCE is on fire this morning, up 5%. Blow up the chat. Come on, we got Beetle Shaw, we got Robert Durant in the chat. Smash the like button, we got 21 likes. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. Okay, now it is time to give you the total, the finale. This is it. This is it. So, very quickly, I'm going to give you one final time the GoFundMe link if anybody wanted to donate and add to that. Right, this is my effort. This is what I've been able to do with the good people of the Frisco Lakes Retirement Village. Right, there's Bill's GoFundMe. 165 is the total we have on there. So we've got 165 to add to whatever I've managed to get. Are you ready? Here we go. We've got Bill on the line. This is Bill now in the green room. Let's bring Bill in. We just passed $600. Here's Bill. Let me put Bill in the green room once again. Let me assign him to the green room. Here he is. There's Bill. How are you, mate?
I'm good. Good. Watching's happy.
You got your coat on. Is it a bit cold there?
About minus 6 Celsius.
Oh, flipping heck, yeah. And you're sat in the garage? Bloody hell, Bill.
Yeah. I got a coat on.
you minus 6. He sat with a coat on. You need
well, it's not minus 6 the outside is minus 6. In here it's about 18 Celsius.
Oh, okay.
It's insulated.
Oh, okay.
Even the door.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Bill. I'll be right back with you for your reaction, but this is it now.
Well, I'm reacting.
Here we go. Did we get him $1,000? Let's go back. Right. We'll come back to Bill in a second. We'll keep the sound up so we can hear what Bill says. So if Bill cheers or shouts or whatever he does, we'll see. Right. But right now, here is the grand total of what we managed to do the other night. Right. So let's go into it right now. And let's bring it on the screen. That's how much GoFundMe has got. All right. So here we go. Here we go. This is it. Now, there's no more money after this. This is the grand total. All right. We're going to have a drum roll. The final figure on the screen. And I hope the live chat explodes. I'm hoping the last total was 620. There it was. Fingers crossed. What are we hoping for? 800? I mean, Leah said the last bag was the biggest. So it's a long way to go between 600 and 1,000. But who knows? Okay, let's bring in the drum roll, blow up the chat, let's get excited, and we'll add that to Bill's 165 at the end. You ready? Okay, the total that we raised on my gig the other night is
The suspense is killing me.
$1,386. $1,386. 1,386 plus 1,386, a grand total of $1,551. $1,551. Let me go back to Bill right now. Here he is. Here's Bill on the screen. Bill, $1,551 total.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
That is people that have never met you. That is just people who came out to watch me on a gig, who only literally had a couple of bucks in their pocket because they like to just throw $1 on me as I walk around for fun. And some of them ran home and came back. These are retired people. They're not in a wealthy position. So in total, with what we raised on GoFundMe, you have got 1,551.
God bless everyone.
All right. So
That's
you've got your GoFundMe money. This money now I will put in a bank, and what I'll do, I'll speak to you off air, and either I can go to a bank and pay it directly into your bank, or I can transfer it. But we'll have that conversation off air. You've told me how you want me to do it, and we'll sort that out. In the chat, everyone's gone crazy. Everyone's loving it. Let me bring it up again on the screen. You can see it right now. This is absolutely amazing. This happened live this morning. Look at that. 1,386 plus the GoFundMe, which gives us a total of 1,551. There we go.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
You're very welcome, Bill. Excellent. You need to do a YouTube video, Bill. Yeah, he does. Duchak just joined. Excellent. All the comments are now coming on the screen. Hi all. That's awesome, Bill. Let's bring everyone's comments. Bill Beetle Sean says that's amazing. That's awesome. Well done. There we go. That is awesome. All the cash is here. We will send it off the bill. Go Ringo. Amaze balls. Look, these are all the comments that are coming in. Nice one. Wow. Alex Hunt couldn't believe it. Says, wow, love it. Sean. There we go. Wonderful stuff. That's it. Wonderful. There we go. So there we go. One final word from Bill, and then we'll get back to the show. One final word from you, Bill.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. You're very nice. It's very nice.
There you go. Our absolute pleasure, Bill. It's an absolute pleasure to do it for you. Thank you ever so much for being here, and we'll get that money off to you straight away. And that is at least now, that's not 25, 30%, or more than that now. Nearly 35% of the value of his scooter. All right, great stuff. Thank you ever so much, Bill. Thanks for joining us. Let's get back to the main trading show. All right, there we go. There you go. There's Bill. What a star, what a legend, and I'm glad everyone tuned in today and hopefully enjoyed that bit of fun. 1,551 in total was the grand total. Brilliant. Absolutely great. All right. Wow, okay, let's get back to the main trade. Let me clear the screen a minute. Here we go. And there we go. Let me just clear that. And there it is. Back to Bill again. There we go. There's his money. Let's just see. Did that go up any more? Just in case. No, there we go. Right, there we go. 1,551. Brilliant. Okay, it's now time for the day trader of the day. We're going to find out who won today. And then we're going to end the show a bit earlier today. I've got to go off. Got some stuff happening here at home. Some stuff I need to take care of. So we're going to end the show. We're going to do the day trader of the day. We're going to see if we can sell some Tesla right now. Let's see what happens. So a quick ad. You can skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. I'm back with you once again. And let's see if we can do a quick trade. And then we'll do the day trader of the day. So get your scores ready. Don't post your scores yet until I give you the timer. But if I go to my day position, 3.28, I'm up. Up. 3.28. Hang on. What was going on there? Let me do that again. up 3.28%. Great day, one of my best days for a very long time. Don't put your score in just yet. Don't put your score in just yet. Wait and see. Wait until I give you the timer. We're over 39,000 now, which is wonderful. We're looking to do a trade for Tesla, but not yet. Rivian, not yet. Virgin Galactic, not yet. Apple, we want to buy a dip. It hasn't come, but that's okay. I made my money on Tesla, so I'm holding my money on Tesla because there really isn't anything I want to get, and I think it could continue to rise. So doesn't look like I'm going to do any trades this morning so far. Okay, so let me give you the timer. Bring up the 1 minute timer. You ready? Post your scores now. I'm up 3.28. Let's see if anyone beats me. Let's see if anyone beats me this morning. Down 0.98. Do chat. Oh, sorry, mate. We've all been there. Our commiserations to you. We know how tough it can be. Up 0.52. Don't tell me I'm going to win today. I don't even remember when I last won. When did I last win anything? Very long time ago. Okay, you ready? Okay. Just a few seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. Looks like I can't believe it. Am I the winner? I've never won. I think I've won once. It might be once when I actually won. I don't know. But anyway, there you go. I think I've won once. 3.31 is even better. Has anybody beat me? Up 0.52, up 5%. Does that include the donation money? There we go, up 5%. There we go, Bill. That means Bill's the winner. That's kind of nice. Right, there we go. There we go. Let's end that right now. Let's go. Thank you for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed, Bill, for your honest trades. Absolutely awesome. Let me just correct the chat. For some reason, I don't know why it's so high. It doesn't matter. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And here we go. Let's give him a big round of applause. There we go. Awesome stuff. Looks like Bill's won it every which way today. All right, there we go. Well, that's it today. That's it. Show's done. Over. It's been a very special day today. Very, very special today. Thank you ever so much, everyone that tuned in for this special. That's why I got the gold tie on. But I've got to go and do other stuff right now. So I will see you back for the closing bell today. We're not going to do a trade just yet for Tesla. We're going to hold our position. Rivian is still... basically, all we're doing now is we are growing our profits. We're not taking any profits. We're growing because... there really isn't anything on the way down right now. It's just up, 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 up. And to be perfectly honest, I believe in my stocks. I've got every bit of faith in all my stocks right now. So to be honest with you, my stocks could rise 20%. And they're only back where they should be. So right now, I'm not actually looking to trade anything. Nothing has dropped. Everything is rising. Did I do the right thing selling Apple? Yes, I did. Because Apple is up 1.6. Whereas the money I put it into went into Tesla, and Tesla, on the other hand, is up 6%. So I'm 4% better off by taking that profit and moving it into Tesla. At least we are right now. Right, there's the overall portfolio. $1,200 today. Fantastic. I'm not selling anything. I'm staying where I am, and we've got a long, long way to go. But if we look at the week now, we're up 4% on the week. On the month, it's just a step up. We've had steps like this before. So we've got a long way to go. There will still be profit taking because we've still got the issue with the interest rates and COVID and everything else. So we've still got a long, long way to go. But anyway, that's it from me today. What a special show. Thank you ever so much for all being here. I'll get that money straight off to Bill. I want to give the biggest shout out, though, to the people of Frisco Lakes, because at the end of the day, it was you who donated. That wasn't my money. That was your money. All I did was turn up, do the gig, and decide to do it for a friend. That's all I did, and you gave and you supported, and I appreciate it. I know a lot of you are going to watch the repeat of this video later on, and you'll get to find out what the total was. But thank you ever so much, everybody, for being part of today's show. I'll see you back for the closing bell. And all it leaves me to say is congratulations, Bill. You're very, very close now to going to buy your new scooter. But for me and all of us, the day traders, and everyone at Frisco Lakes, thank you all for being here. And take care of yourselves and each other.